Yeah! Welcome back to Lingokids Crafts. It is great to see you all again. Today, we are going to draw a special food. It is big and round. It is normally orange. It can be carved and decorated during Halloween. Have you guessed it yet? That's right! Today, we will be drawing a pumpkin. So grab your pencil and a sheet of paper, and let's get started. Let's begin with a rounded shape that looks like a thick oval. We drew the center of our pumpkin. Then, on the left side of your center, draw a shape that looks like a regular big C. The edges of your shape should begin and end at the top and bottom of your center. Great job, everybody! Now, do the same on the right side, only this time, draw a shape that looks like a backwards big letter C. Again, the edges of your shape should start and end at the bottom of your center. Your pumpkin looks a little like a butterfly, doesn't it? Did you know that autumn is pumpkin season? That's right! During autumn, there are many varieties of pumpkins that grow in different sizes and even colors. Yes, although pumpkins are known to be orange, there are also red, white, and even light blue pumpkins. Differences in color also mean they taste a little different. Isn't that amazing? On to the stems. Stems are the main support of the plant. They grow above ground and turn into leaves or even flowers. At the top middle part of your pumpkin, draw a small rounded oval that curves to the right. Then, right next to it, draw another stem. Only this time, draw a much thinner oval that curves to the right and curves into the shape of a small knot. Did you know that pumpkins grow on vines and that the stems attached to the vine feed the pumpkins? The stems feed the pumpkin and allow it to grow. Now, let's add some texture. Inside the pumpkin's body, draw little circles inside the center and the two C shapes. Make sure you spread them out. You can make some circles bigger than others. It's up to you. Did you know that you can eat almost every part of a pumpkin? You can eat pumpkin flowers, pumpkin seeds, and even the skin. They are all high in vitamins A and potassium, which help keep us strong and healthy. The only part you shouldn't eat is the stem. Now it's time to add some color to make our pumpkin stand out. For our pumpkin, we will be using orange, dark orange, light orange, and dark green. First, use the orange crayon to color the center of your pumpkin. Don't forget to color around the little circles you drew in earlier. That looks great! Time to take your dark orange crayon to color both sides of the pumpkin. Again, make sure to color around your circles. Use that same crayon to also color inside some of your little circles. Well done, everyone! Now, take your light orange crayon and color the rest of your circles. Last, but not least, use your dark green crayon to color inside the stems. Well done, everyone! Your pumpkin is ready to be cooked or decorated for Halloween. Parents, your child has done an amazing job! We'd love it if you'd share their artwork with us on social media for a chance to be featured on our channels. There's nothing better than seeing the art made by our Lingokids families around the world. Just tag us!
More songs, activities, and podcasts on our YouTube channels, and the full interactive adventure in the Lingokids app.